Hi guys, welcome to Milky Singh Academy. This is Jaskira Singh here. Today we are going to learn about how to download student attendance in EDU Next Technologies. We are looking at three different methods how you can download student attendance from EDU Next Technologies. So let's get into this thing. First of all, open up your web browser. So I'm opening up my browser here. So type in the URL for your EDU Next Technologies and sign in through your teacher ID and password. So after writing here teacher ID and password, click on login and you will be logged in into your EDU Next Web Technologies. So here you have to click on this teacher dashboard. So after clicking on teacher dashboard, go to the left navigation pane. So as you can see, there are so many options here, but at the bottom you can see eConnect attendance report. Just click on it to download the attendance for students. So after clicking on the eConnect attendance report, you have three tabs here. So first one is day eConnect report, second one is subject eConnect report, and third is student eConnect report. So I'm going to cover all of these three here. First of all is day eConnect report. So this is for daily attendance report that you want to download the daily attendance of students. So you have to come here for daily eConnect report, so that students are connecting through their eConnect web link. So the attendance is automatically stored into this EDU Next Technologies. So select the class here. So I'm selecting the 8th class here, and section you can select both of the sections here, and a group, if you have created a group, just select that group here. Sequence by just admission number, student name. So these are all the sequence by names. So in which sequence that you want to sort your attendance reports. I'm selecting admission number here. So I'm going to sort all the students in the form of admission number. Select the from date, so from which date you want to download the attendance, and to date, so up to which date you want to download. So I'm selecting 2nd September 2020. Now you have two options here: daily day eConnect attendance report in PDF format, and you can also download it in Excel format. So I'm selecting PDF format here, and it will open up your PDF viewer in your browser. So you can see this is all the attendance report that I have downloaded for class 8A in the form of admission numbers. So this is how you can download the daily attendance report of a class. So after downloading this attendance report, just come here to the subject eConnect report. So here we have the option to download the particular subject attendance. So for example, class is again I'm selecting 8th here, 8A group if you have created some group, and subject maybe, so whatever subject is assigned to you. So I am assigned with a computer subject, so I'm selecting that. From date first, so I'm selecting the from 8 to 3rd. You can also select both the dates same. So sequence order, again admission number, and click on this subject attendance report in Excel format. So it is going to download the format in the Excel. So I'm clicking on OK button here, and it is going to open this attendance report in the Excel sheet here. So you can see I have downloaded this particular subject from the subject wise attendance report. So this is all the information that you have to receive in the Excel format. So after that we have the last report, that is student eConnect report. So this is for the particular student whom name, or you have to type in the admission number. So first you have the academic year, so which academic year you want to download. Second one is the admission number, so just type in the admission number, or even you can also write the name. So yeah, for example I'm downloading it for the Tavish Thapa, so this is the student of first class. So after that, from which date, so I'm selecting first, and to which date I'm selecting again first here. 1st September to 2nd September, and just click on this student eConnect attendance report, and it is again going to download this file in your computer here, and you can open this file from there. So this is all how you can download the attendance report in your EDU Next Technologies. So I hope that I have completed all the steps here. So if you have any question, just write down your question in the comment box. I will definitely reply you back. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon.